Most faceless YouTube channels never make it past a few dollars a month. In fact, the majority will never even hit $500 per month. In this video, I'll break down the biggest mistakes beginners make and how you can avoid them so your channel actually grows and makes money. Mistake number 1, focusing only on views. Many beginners think YouTube is all about going viral. The truth? You don't need millions of views, you need the right kind of views. A small targeted audience that actually clicks your affiliate links is worth more than 10,000 random views. Fix: stop chasing virality. Focus on solving problems in a niche where people spend money. Mistake number 2, waiting for monetization. Most creators quit because they don't reach 1,000 subscribers plus 4,000 hours fast enough. Even worse, ads pay very little in the beginning. If you're only relying on monetization, you'll never hit $500 per month quickly. Fix: use affiliate marketing or digital products from day one, so you can start earning with even 100 views. Mistake number 3, making videos. No one wants a lot of beginners upload what they like instead of what people search for. If your videos don't solve problems or answer questions, viewers won't click, and YouTube won't recommend them. Fix: use search-driven titles like "How to Solve Problem," "Best Tools, Apps for Result." 3 ways to achieve goal. Mistake number 4, no call to action. Even if your content is good, most beginners never tell viewers what to do next. If you don't tell them to click your link, they won't. That's why channels stall under $500 per month. Fix: add clear CTAs. Check the first link in the description for a free trial. Pin your affiliate link in the comments. Repeat it naturally in every video. Mistake number 5, quitting too soon. The biggest mistake isn't low views. It's giving up before the system kicks in. YouTube takes 3 to 6 months to collect enough data to push your content. Most people quit right before they'd start seeing traction. Fix: commit to at least 20 to 30 videos before judging results. So if you don't want to be like most faceless channels that never hit $500 per month, stop chasing views, don't wait for monetization, create problem-solving content, use strong CTAs, and most importantly, don't quit too early. If you want to see the step-by-step method I'd use to build a $500 per month faceless channel, check the first link in the description.